In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend columns and rows in Excel. Whether you're working with a small list or a large data table, knowing how to quickly extend columns and rows can save you a lot of time and keep your spreadsheet organized. I'll walk you through the main ways to do this step by step so you can follow along in your own workbook. First, open your Excel file and make sure you can see the sheet you want to work on. Look at the top of the sheet where you see the column letters like A, B, C, and so on. To extend a column, move your mouse to the right border of the column header. For example, if you want to make column B wider, hover your cursor over the line between B and C. The cursor should change to a double-headed arrow. When you see that, click and hold your mouse, then drag to the right to widen the column, or drag to the left to make it narrower. Release the mouse when the column looks the way you want. If you want Excel to automatically adjust the width so that it perfectly fits the longest entry in that column, you don't need to drag at all. Instead, double-click on that same border between the column letters. Excel will resize the column for you. This is especially useful if you have text that's getting cut off or numbers that show up as hash marks because the column is too narrow. You can do the exact same thing with rows. On the left side of your worksheet, you'll see the row numbers. To extend a row, move your cursor to the bottom border of the row number, wait for the double-headed arrow to appear, then click and drag down to make the row taller or drag up to make it shorter. To auto-fit the row height, just double-click on that border, and Excel will match the height to the tallest content in that row. If you need to extend several columns or rows at once, start by selecting them. Click and drag across multiple column letters or row numbers, then use the same drag or double-click on any border within the selection. Excel will apply the change to all of them at the same time. Finally, remember that you can undo any changes by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard if something doesn't look right. With these simple techniques, you can quickly clean up your layout, make your data easier to read, and keep your spreadsheets looking professional.